Will the DJI Mini 2 survive in thick fog? Let's find out. Hey guys, today we continue our tour of Cornwall, travelling south now to the area of Porthcurno. But first, before we go to there, we're going to look at St Michael's Mount. St Michael's Mount is an island within Mounts Bay. It is a small town and it does have some nice coffee shops and souvenir shops within the town area itself. But obviously the main attraction is the actual St Michael's Mount, and if you time it well you can walk right across over the walkway to the island. We didn't time it well, so for us we'll be getting photos from the side and above, which we're going to be doing right now. You can cross that walkway and there is no fee at all, so it is worth seeing if you're in the area of Penzance. If you want to go and look around the castle, then you do have to pay, but you can see that walkway there just to the right hand side, so you do get some stunning views in this area. It's really impressive to see, and just by getting a couple of photos and videos from quite far in, zoomed in here, we're able to tick this off the list as well before continuing. So once we've seen this area now, we're going to get back in that car and then we're going to move to another popular tourist area, which is Land's End. So in this area of Land's End, you can visit the tourist attraction and get a photo, if you don't mind paying, at the sign as well. And it's a fantastic photo opportunity, I think, for anybody who goes down to this area to be able to get this photo. It didn't used to be a paid for attraction, now it is. But quick tip for you, if you do come here after 6 PM, you don't have to pay. It might be a small queue and you don't have a photographer doing it for you, but I'm sure we can manage. It has some great attractions on here as well and some nice places to eat, but you also get spectacular views. If you just continue on from where the actual tourist attraction is, you get some stunning views looking over the cliffs. So I highly recommend you coming here. Just one thing, don't think about flying your drone because this is a really strict no-fly zone area, and even if you ask for permission, you won't be getting it because of the airport. And even when we were here, we saw a lot of low-flying aircraft just flying over this area, so don't try and get your drones out if you do come here. But what a fantastic area and well worth the visit. So after visiting there, back to the campsite, give everything a charge up. And I noticed while the barbecue was going, this strange mist and fog coming in different patches, so I had to go and explore with the DJI Mini 2. Now, flying in fog isn't advisable, but neither is flying under bridges, neither is flying in heavy wind. So I've added on my strobe so I can get that visual line of sight, and I have to get this fantastic image and footage of this fog. This is something you can't fake afterwards on Final Cut Pro or any editor program to recreate this real life scene of flying through the fog with the DJI Mini 2. You can see here the gimbal starting to shake a little bit. We're having some problems. I thought, oh god, this is it, this is game over. But the fog clears to show this breathtaking view on the Mini 2. You can see now we're above the fog, we're above this water vapour, so don't hang around, don't hover in place, keep some motion, because this is water, this will wreck your drone, so don't do it. You want to. Sometimes taking these risks with your drone captures the best footage. This will take so long to recreate a scene like this by cheating, by using After Effects, by putting on some fog filters, overlaying it. What a nightmare. But I've captured this on the DJI Mini 2, and the Mini 2 was awesome. You look at here, we descend now under the fog. You can see this. I mean, it's amazing. This is no doubt about it. To be able to capture this on such a small drone, take this drone everywhere with you and you're going to never miss that shot. So now we're under that fog, but let's go back over that fog and just look at that. You can even see parts of that water vapour that is so clear. And let's get right above the campsite now. And what's remarkable is that even on this DJI Mini 2, the quick shots is still able to lock onto our car tent with fog underneath and still capture 100% of that quick shot. The DJI Mini 2 is incredible. If you're going to do something as reckless and stupid as this, make sure you put on some kind of strobe. The one I use, I'll show you very shortly. So thanks so much for watching, guys. So the story of just never miss that moment and sometimes take these risks, calculated risks. But this is the strobe I used. It's super bright, either at night or in fog. I'll link it in the description. So the next video is going to be the last Cornwall video, and it's a good one. We're on a stunning beach, but there is one problem which we face. But take care, and I look forward to showing you that video very soon. Bye bye.